Hello guys, today I will show you how you can use the universal features of receiver 26H4K. As you can see, this receiver is coming with universal remote control. So this is the universal remote control. I will show you how you can use this as a universal and what this means. So this is the receiver 260 remote control. As you can see, these lines or boxes are showing 4 different keys. If you see behind it, let me show it clearly. It is showing some instructions like how you can use those keys. Okay, so this is the remote for the receiver. As I can show you, if you press menu, exit, menu, exit, and if I go through, so this is working properly with the receiver, but not with the TV. For example, if I press this power button, nothing happened. If I press this source button, nothing happened. Volume down, volume plus, light is blinking, but there's nothing happening. So let me show you the remote control of the TV. So this is the remote control of the TV of StarSat. If I press this source button, you can see the source list, and if I press exit, this is the volume plus, this is the volume down, everything working perfect. And you can also see the TV light is also blinking. So this is the remote for the TV. It's working perfectly. And now I will show you how you can program these 4 keys. As you can see here, you can program these 4 keys. First for the power, second for the source, and then third for the volume minus and volume plus keys. You can see over here. Okay, as per behind the remote, you can see the first instructions. At press and hold the power key for 5 seconds, the LED goes from blinking to solid, and STB RCU enters learning mode. Means this RCU means this remote control unit. If I press this button for 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the light is solid now as per the instructions. And the second thing, press the key to program on this RCU. LED begins blinking slowly. I need to it goes back. So the second step is that I have to press any key which I need to program. So I have to press this button, power button, not this one, this power button for the 5 seconds. You can see the light is blinking. After the 5 seconds, when I left this power button, it is stable. So I have to press any key from these buttons to program it. For example, I need to press the power button. I have pressed power button to be programmed. So this is a TV remote. I have to press power button from here because I have pressed the power button. So I need to program the power button. I will press. You can see 3 times flashing. This means this signal of the TV remote has been stored successfully. So let me press any other key to exit the learning mode. Now this button is programmed for the TV. If I press this one, you can see the light goes off and the TV is going to be on. So this button has been programmed successfully. Let me show you again when it turn on. So this TV is on. So this is the remote of the TV. I'm not pressing any button. I'm pressing this power button from here, and you can see the TV goes off. Pressing again this button which I have programmed, and the TV goes on. So this program key is working fine. So I have to repeat the same steps to for other buttons. So let me show you again to program a few other buttons. For example, 5 seconds of this power button, it stops flashing. Now I press this source button. Okay, now this is the remote of the TV, and this is the button of source. I'm going both of them together in front of each and press source button. 3-time flash. This means program has been stored successfully. Either I have to wait, this light will goes off automatically, or I can press any other button to exit the learning mode. So now I will press this learning button, and you can see I can see the source of this TV. You can see the TV remote is here. I'm not pressing any key. I'm just pressing these keys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So like this. So let me program the other keys. For example, I have to press the power button again for at least 5 seconds. I will leave it when I see the blinking stopped and the solid light is here. I'm going to program the volume minus, and then from the remote control of the TV, this is the volume minus key in front of each other. 3-time blinking stopped. I can wait for a few more seconds when the solid light goes off. Now let me show you the other button of volume plus. Keep holding the power button until the light goes solid. I will press volume plus. It is on the learning mode. This is the remote control of the TV, and this is volume plus in front of each other. I will press the power button. It should be flashing 3 times. If it receives, no, unsuccessful, so I have to do it again. Keep remember, if you do the same steps and the keys are not registering, you have to repeat the same steps again. Volume plus, volume plus. Okay, 3 times. I can press any other key to exit the learning mode. And now if I press the volume plus, you can see volume is going up, and if I go press volume minus, volume is going down. So this is the remote of the TV. I'm not pressing any key. I'm just pressing these keys: volume minus, volume plus, source, and power. Hope you liked the video. Thank you. Bye bye.